Dear audiences, a big question arises for all of us. Firstly, is Indonesia's education system broken? Perhaps it must be wrong to judge that conclusion. But this question is always supported by the facts that the outcomes are not good. Secondly, even if it's broken, how do we improve it? Hi, I'm Ica Sivana Berubangun from Universitas Negeri Malang. Dear audiences, the Sustainable Development Goals are the blueprint for achieving a better and more sustainable future for globally or nationally. For all SDGs global challenges, I am very interested in talking about quality education. As we know, education is the key gateway out of inequalities. In addition to improving quality of life, access to inclusive education can develop innovative solutions to the world's most significant problems. Dear audiences, currently Indonesia struggles to provide inclusive and high-quality education to its citizens. An analysis by the World Bank in 2018 reports indicates that compared to other Southeast Asian countries, education in Indonesia lacks quality and effectiveness. And also, supported by the World Education News and Reviews in 2019, displayed that 55% of students who pass through the Indonesian education system are functionally literate. Unfortunately, this is higher when compared to 14% in Vietnam. Moreover, Indonesia is the fourth most populated country in the world. Based on data from Statistik Indonesia, the total school-age population in Indonesia in 2015 was 42.7% of its total population of 255.5 million people. These figures shows how we need more support and other things to improve the quality education in Indonesia. Dear audiences, Indonesia's most challenge regarding education is no longer about improving access but improving quality. A study by the United Nations Population Fund in 2015 revealed that Indonesia is projected to reap demographic dividend from 2028 to 2035. Fortunately, this demographic dividend will provide a golden opportunity for Indonesia to improve and prepare its human resources. Dear audiences, the global goals are who we, humanity, want to be. Are we making it? The answer is absolutely yes. We can achieve it. There are several solutions to improve the quality education in Indonesia. Includes technology use, improve teachers' education, and more education spending. But the most important solution to improve quality education in Indonesia is more education spending. Dear audiences, the government expenditure on education has increased in recent years. Added funding allows for a more enriching learning experience for Indonesian students. For example, with increased spending, there has been a larger budget for Indonesia to hiring more teachers. Dear audiences, as of 2017, in Indonesia, the student-to-teacher ratio dropped from 20 to 1 to 16 to 1 in elementary schools. It exemplifies how, with further spending and more teachers per student, one's learning experience is augmented. Dear audiences, education system in Indonesia doesn't adequately and equally serve its students. However, education system in Indonesia is improving with initiatives such as allocating money towards education. Dear audiences, for the success of our SDGs global challenges, we must do a little thing. Little things matter for all changes. Positive change is incredible, isn't it? I am Ica, a new agent for Sustainable Development Goals. Thank you.